Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi Q3 key battery, only ways. Start by separating the fob halves with a flat tool, remove the old cell, and note the battery orientation before inserting a new CR2032. Clean contacts with a dry cloth, press the halves firmly together, and test the remote from a short distance to confirm locking and unlocking functions work as expected now. Gather a small flat pry tool, a fresh CR2032 battery, and a lint-free cloth before you begin so you stay organized and efficient. Work over a soft surface like a towel to protect the fob and prevent rolling parts from getting lost. Keep the old battery away from children and recycle it properly after removal to be safe and responsible throughout the process. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car tip content for you. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I find them comically helpful when crawling under cars. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grabbed a pair, thanks. Now let's get back to the video. Pry open the fob at the seam with gentle pressure and lift the top half to expose the battery compartment without forcing it. Remove the old battery and make a mental or photographic note of its orientation, then place the new CR2032 in the same way. Reassemble the fob, ensure clip snap, and test the remote by locking and unlocking near the vehicle to confirm the replacement was successful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.